think it's a great opportunity for not just young people, but also people who want to get back into a new field, learn and actually be able to earn money. My name is Anselm Powell. I work for Sport Wales and I'm doing the Applied Software Engineering degree.
Mae Anselm yn cymryd rhan yng ngynllun prentisiaeth cyntaf chwaraeon Cymru. Mae hon yn raglen 4 blynedd a bydd yn astudio ar gyfer ei radd a gweithio'n llawn amser gyda'r tîm yn chwaraeon Cymru. Fel rhan o'i radd, mae'n dysgu sgiliau meddalwedd technegol craidd.
I've learned a lot more to do with data science, the fundamentals of algorithms and system design, how to actually build a system.
Trwy ei radd brentisiaeth, gall Anselm ddefnyddio ei ddysgu damcaniaethol a'i gymhwyso mewn sefyllfaoedd gwaith bywyd go iawn, yn ogystal â dysgu sgiliau allweddol eraill.
And the skills I've developed throughout this apprenticeship, working with a team of different people with different technical abilities, I've learned a lot from just watching everyone and taking in how they approach different aspects of work. You kind of learn the things that you don't learn from just a degree, like how to work with other people and how to interact and communicate with other people on a day-to-day. I think those things are invaluable.
Gwnewch ddewis doeth. Chwilia Prentisiaethau Cymru neu ffonia dim 800 dim 28 4844.